Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing... No, we're not reviewing a banana. We are reviewing a banana. Just a different kind of banana. So this is supposed to cut your banana in perfect slices just with one press. So you don't have to use a knife and slowly cut each banana. I'm told this is amazing time saver if you dehydrate bananas. Probably not too practical if you're just doing one. But if you're cutting up multiple bananas for freezing or smoothies, dehydrating, this may just be the thing that you've been missing out all your life. And the great thing about this, so as you can see, it's not really shaped the way this banana is shaped. So it's going to be a little interesting to see how we can do this. Might be a little hard, but we're going to do this with one hand. I don't know how it's going to work with one hand. Okay. Alright, so this is how it cut it. It actually cut in very nice slices. I mean, that's... If you got two hands free, it would take you probably 5 seconds a banana. So, yeah, it works. It really works. And for the price, I think we're going to have to give it... I think we're going to have to give it a 10 out of 10. A 5-star rating, don't you think? I mean, it cut perfectly.